In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom branding in ClickUp, Brand Settings 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the home page, sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred method. You can continue with email and password, or choose a supported social login. Use whichever you normally use for your workspace. If you have any security steps like two-factor authentication, complete those and you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo or your initials. This is the menu we need. Click it to open the drop-down. We're going into Settings. In the drop-down, choose Settings to open your account and workspace configuration. Once the Settings view loads, check the left-hand sidebar. You may see several sections, so make sure you're in the area for workspace settings. Scroll if needed and look for the option labeled Custom Branding. The wording can vary slightly by plan or interface updates, but you're looking for the section where you can manage your logo and color scheme. If you don't see it, you may need higher workspace permissions or a plan that includes branding. In that case, reach out to your workspace admin. Click into Custom Branding. You'll typically see a toggle or button to enable branding. Turn it on. With branding enabled, you can start customizing. Begin by uploading your logo. A clean, high-resolution image with a transparent background generally looks best, especially in smaller areas of the app. After the upload, confirm the preview looks crisp and not stretched. If it appears pixelated, try a higher resolution version. Next, adjust your color scheme. Set your primary accent color to match your brand. Pick a shade that keeps text legible and passes basic contrast checks. This ensures buttons, links, and highlights remain easy to read. If ClickUp shows a live preview, take a moment to click around and see how your color choices look across different screens. When you're happy, look for a Save or Update button and confirm your changes. Some settings autosave, but it's always good to double check. To verify everything applied, open another tab or refresh your current page and glance at the interface elements where your logo and colors appear. Changes typically apply workspace-wide. That's it. You went from signing in to opening the profile menu, into settings, locating custom branding, enabling it, and customizing your logo and color scheme. If anything doesn't appear, confirm your permissions and plan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly branded ClickUp workspace.